slap my butt, I ain't cry. I be lying if I say you see some shots, she ain't gon' die. Real deal bum. I can show you how to build, stop fucking with these bowls. High level dip on my chill, no present on 50, but I still make the team real. I lay back for rapping, but I still got chop in the grip. My face card so figgy, I got hoppin' ready for some years. I'm living a bum lifestyle, went from an O to a Q, back to a P. Always slime back shit, never catch me in the cool. Told the diamonds pipe down with my bum tryna spool. I can't sound the only nigga too sporting my bum too. I be lying if I say I'm the only bum putting up shots. I be lying if I say the game tryna keep me in that fire. I be lying if I say I'm throwing that shit till I die. I'm tryna get the battle when you call your heart shallow. When the day that's Mendo, bought to send me off a transo. I'm the one that bought a laptop in a bando. I just hate when a runner try to fucking act slow. 50s, 100s, but I'm not rich off no snow. Selling green crack like the 80s, might pimp a hoe. Give me what my life so Boosie can rap while he dose. Bum back to a bum, that just don't and fucking don't. I play center with the bums, they throw the lob and I'm a dunk. I be lying if I say I ain't got a pee up in the trunk. I be lying if I say we the one pay, we going dumb. I be lying if I say I'm the CEO of the bums. I be lying if I say in my city it's red rum. Cause it ain't, nigga. I'm the one who niggas call when they smack a nigga and try to go to the bank, nigga. Dumb nigga. Free mom, free bullshit, free mind, free young. You heard me? Dumb nigga. If it don't glitch, then Brody, yeah, take it with it. If it don't glitch, then Brody, yeah, I ain't glitching so Brody. Top in, y'all, dumb nigga. Two spot original, I'm a part, I'm official. Yeah. Stop, come on, fuck that young.